So just a few final words on the WebDriver wait. I wanted to mention to you guys to try and use the explicit wait, maybe this kind of style of waiting for your elements rather than using implicit waits. This obviously has a lot of benefits in that it's very dynamic. You can control it from a single place, and anytime you need to implement this waiting condition, you can go ahead and do so. The other thing that I wanted to mention is to actually not mix implicit and explicit waits. So don't create a driver and, implicitly set a timeout and then also try to use explicit waits at the same time. According to Jim Evans, one of the creators of Selenium, that actually leads to unexpected behavior in Selenium WebDriver. It just basically has to do with how the implicit wait and the explicit waits are implemented. And so when you mix them, you get into an unknown territory where the waiting period may be unknown. And when you progress to the remote WebDriver level, it gets even more complicated because that's another extra hop that Selenium has to make. So from your local code and the Java machine to your browser, to the remote browser, all those extra hops cause some kind of complexities. And therefore, you should not be mixing implicit and explicit waits. Rather, I recommend that you just use explicit waits like this throughout your code and wait for elements in that manner. So now let's move on to one final type of wait that I wanted to show you guys.